In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, a groundbreaking approach has emerged, revolutionizing how AI learns and masters tasks. Welcome to the world of AlphaZero-Style Zero Learning. To understand this cutting-edge concept, let's first take a look at AlphaZero. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaZero is an artificial intelligence program known for its mastery in chess, shogi, and Go. What sets AlphaZero apart is its ability to learn and excel in these games with minimal human intervention. Now imagine taking this approach to the next level, introducing AlphaZero-Style Zero Learning. Unlike traditional AI methods that rely on massive datasets and predefined rules, this innovative approach allows AI to learn and master tasks from scratch. Picture a blank canvas, no prior knowledge, no predefined strategies. This is where zero learning comes into play. The AI learns through self-play or self-experimentation, continuously refining its skills and adapting to the challenges it encounters. The process is akin to a virtual journey of self-discovery. The AI engages in tasks, experiments with different approaches, and learns from its successes and failures. This iterative self-improvement cycle is the essence of zero learning. One of the most remarkable aspects of this method is its relentless pursuit of excellence. The AI doesn't plateau. It continuously evolves, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This makes zero learning an incredibly powerful tool for developing AI expertise in areas where no prior knowledge exists. The applications of zero learning are vast and varied. From robotics to gaming, and even in medical research, this approach opens doors to possibilities we could only dream of before. It's not just about learning tasks. It's about discovering novel strategies and solutions that might have eluded human experts. Take a moment to imagine an AI mastering a game without being programmed with specific strategies, or a robot performing complex tasks without explicit instructions. Zero learning empowers AI to navigate uncharted territories, making it a pioneer in problem solving. Of course, every innovation comes with its challenges. The computational power required for zero learning can be immense, and the training process can be time-consuming. But as technology advances, these hurdles are becoming more manageable. Over time, we can expect the computational requirements to decrease, making zero learning more accessible and applicable to a wider range of scenarios. In conclusion, AlphaZero-Style Zero Learning is reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence. It's not just about making AI smarter. It's about allowing AI to become pioneers in fields where no roadmap exists. As we witness the dawn of this new era, one thing is certain: the journey of AI self-discovery has just begun. Thank you for exploring the world of AlphaZero-Style Zero Learning with us. Be sure to subscribe and follow.